In today's episode, we'll show you how this stunning 3-stone engagement ring is made at Empire Casting House. Production begins with a computer-aided design of the ring. When the design is approved, it'll become a wax model that we will cast in your metal of choice. In this case, it's platinum. The platinum ring is then given to one of our jewelers who will clean and smooth out its rough edges. The next step is to insert the ring into the tumbler to further clean and soften it. Now it's time to pre-polish the ring, which gives it a shiny finish and also helps get rid of any unevenness on the surface. It's important to wash and steam the ring before the final steps. Now that the ring is fully prepped, it's time to set these 3 gorgeous stones. The center is an aquamarine azure-cut stone with 2 smaller diamonds to complement each side. Our client requested a claw prong for this particular piece, which gives the ring a minimalist, sleek, and secure finish, while also leaving room for the center stone to shine. The final step is to polish the ring with the stones set this time. We'll also give it one final wash and steam to ensure an extra clean finish.